Hi everyone, welcome back to Eddy's Kitchen. This is the part 6 of our sushi series. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a hand roll. Also you can call sushi ice cream. Let's get started. Okay, to prepare our hand roll, more important things is just prepare your ingredient all together in once because this gonna be very quick process. Okay. What I got in here is the crab stick, and I prepare some sliced cucumber. Okay, I think that will be enough for 2. That's good. And here you go. Chop up like that. Okay, prepare your ingredient. Everything ready in together. Okay, now I quite like apple, so let's do our avocado also. Get the one piece in here. That's good for me. And there's another one. Okay, now I'll just show you this. Now, let me show you the hand roll, which is like this. You also need a seaweed, half piece of seaweed. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, the movement. You must imagine this is square. Then from this corner, straight over to other corner, like this. Okay, let me show you. Turn it around, rolling all the way to the other close. As you can see, join together. Then you start to move, rolling to that way. Okay, then start rolling to the front. Then it will become like an ice cream cone, like this. Okay, you can see that is how the movement. Okay, then this end part, we will use another rice, stick it together.
Just showing on.
Okay, now I'll show you how to do it. Okay, let's go. And the tip is, your left hand must be kept dry. Do not wet, because with left hand you don't touch the rice, you only touch the seaweed. So left hand keep dry. Prepare yourself ready. Close. Then right hand we just wet like this. Then dry out extra part of water. Then grab about the double size of the nigiri sushi, or you can see about 1.5 teaspoon. Then so about 1.5 tablespoon. Then what we plating is from this corner. Let me move this way. From this corner in the middle. Okay, in this way. Okay, you imagine this is square. We will move this way, but when we plating is other way, like this. Okay, you can see. Then very simple. With your finger, push straight down, just like make a hole, make a mold. And this is what we're going to plate our ingredient. Okay, and if you like me, you can place the mayonnaise in the middle. If you don't like, you can just leave. Then start to grab all our ingredients together one time. Okay, then we start our movement, closing up. Okay, you can see, all over to the top. Then you can little bit warm up, then start rolling to the end, like that. Okay, then this is the hand roll. Okay, then at the end part, just grab one tiny piece of the sushi rice and use as the glue together. Then if you have, like I have here, is they call a hand roll stand, and it's ready to serve. All right, and now let me show you one more time. Okay, grab your piece of the seaweed, wet your right hand, and grab about 1.5 tablespoon sushi rice, placing in your finger like this, make a mold, and give a little bit of mayonnaise if you like it. Then we start to move, grab all your ingredients together one time, like that. Okay, then start the movement all the way. Then close up, you can little bit tight, and all the way to the end. And the last tip, grab one piece of the sushi rice, mash up as the glue, stay together like this. And that is the hand roll. It's very easy to make it. Now, be ready to serve. Okay, if you like, you can just give it garnish a little bit of sesame seed, or if you have some caviar, will be luxury. Yeah, also nice. You can garnish for the final touch. All right, here we go. That is ready to serve. So this is how to make a hand roll. Nice and easy. If you like the video, don't forget click like and subscribe. I see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.